Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ni Aina Atika binti Abdullah. My matric number is C19A0377. Introductions. Entrepreneurship is something that a businessman or entrepreneur has his own initiative in determining his business pattern. This is because not all traders can be called entrepreneurs, but all entrepreneurs are traders. In other words, entrepreneurship is the art of starting a business that we call entrepreneurs. It can be defined as someone who start a business or organization that was originally a small business. He also made plans in the early stage and was also able to run and operate the business. Your ability to turn ideas into actions involve the process by which an individual is structured, controlled, and taken. In addition to running a business, it requires resources and employees who can handle it and make the job more efficient and effective. An entrepreneur is entirely responsible for the success or downfall of a business, and they dare to take the risk of an unexpected event into the business. This could be from financial, management, economic, and other aspects. They continue to compete with other entrepreneurs to get a name in the eyes of the world and to attract people in their business by constantly introducing and innovating the new product and new ways of marketing the business. Some people may want something unique from their entrepreneur product that are different from others entrepreneur to be more competitive. From a financial point of view, it is very important for a business to run smoothly if it's financial and stable, where they always make sure they get high return on sales. Entrepreneurs are a catalyst for a country's economic growth and growth. The economic progress of a country lies in the dynamic and visionary entrepreneurs. They are unique individuals and different from other people. The entrepreneur traits of individual entrepreneurs are able to develop not only the entrepreneurs of himself only, but also responsible for the development of society, the development of the country. In fact, entrepreneurship results in the welfare of the world. This is because entrepreneurs are the driving force that creates, initiates, and continually develops of entrepreneur in the field of business, not only is it easy to be entrepreneur, they need to be more prepared to take advantage of opportunities and find one to solve problem and run the risk. Entrepreneurship must some all the challenges, creativity, control, curiously, and cash to do business. This can motivate an entrepreneur to be more successful. Finally, entrepreneurs need to have their own thinking in order to do business. The right attitude displayed by the entrepreneur can motivate yourself to others. They have to do fits and wise words. They must show every effort to create their learning and endurance essential to great achievement. Their quality is to making sure the product can attract customer to buy product market from entrepreneur. Most people look for product through the quality of the product, then to meet their need and taste. An entrepreneur should be open-minded and have extensive knowledge that can be easily applied to their business or customer. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum and hello. Okay, I want to continue our presentation. Today I want to talk about entrepreneur background. We know that Malaysia have a many company that running their own business. There are many of business such as clothes, food, and behavior. That's people in the country running out their business. So we have to choose one of the type of business that provide entrepreneur behavior people, which is to gain their profit in their business. We choose the business name is Fazli Labu Sayong. That we have interviewed them to know their own profit that they get. The founder name company Labu Sayong is Muhammad Fazli bin Zoliadin, which is 40 years old. He is married with Sohara binti Ahmad. Hence, Sohara also assistant work for manage their business. He also blessed 4 children who was born at Kuala Kangsar in Perak. Education level Mr. Fazli is he was taking the Sijil Pelajaran Malaysia SPN in SMK Clifford, Kuala Kangsar, Perak. After finish school, Mr. Fazli is working with their old best friend. He been working on his best friend almost 5 years. Will work there has in handcraft, especially in the manufacture of Labu Sayong. Over 5 years of the experience he gained, he used all the knowledge and skill he had acquired to open his own business. He started the business in 1998. She has been in business for 22 years old.
There is some factors driving business openings. One of the reasons why she opened the business with getting inspiration from his friend who is her own best friends. his friend also gave him a lot of encouragement for him to start a business. Her friend also helps Mr. Fazli in case of problem related to his business. Next, the factory driving business opening is in deep skill and interest made her determined to open his own business. Manufacturing skill requires special techniques. Make a labu sayong have a requires finesse, passion, because it is very tedious and take a while to prepare, but due to the deep interest in the manufacture of labu sayong, made her hopeless and excited to open this business. Hence, factory driving business opening is supporting from families. Her family always giving her motivation to keep moving forward. No matter what, the decision, her family always supporting. Mr. Fazli also said parent prayer a strength from her to keep working on and the key to success. Last but not least, make a profit also factory driving business opening. There are many advantages to having your own business, such as make a fulfill a dream come be true, freedom of decision, opportunity to harness their skill and experience, and have a chance growth profit. Mr. Fazli also explained that to starting a business, two things are very important is sufficient capital and deep skill. He also set no current goal setting to establish to start a business, but based on his own experience. When he start his business, he also made capital loan from Mara and his saving.
Background of the company. Labu Sayong Company is called Fazli Labu Sayong. He has been in this business for over 20 years. He has a worker which is his own wife. He provides traditional goods and pumpkin making service. The business is in small and medium size industry, and he only focus on wholesaler.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Azlili Azra binti Jamri. My matric card number is C19A0498. I will present about entrepreneur before starting a business. There are 5, which is work experience, male model, entrepreneur activity, intention to become an entrepreneur, and the last parenting background. Okay, first, work experience. Entrepreneurs have 20 years of working experience. He worked with his best friend when he was 22 years old. The times that he takes for working with their friends is 1 year and 5 months. After that, he start his own business at the age 24 by selling all kinds of home interior jewelry using capital that he had accumulated while working at his partner company. In addition, he has also been a teaching staff to teach students about the art of pierce pattern after he stopped working with his partner company. Second is male model. The entrepreneur has a male model who is also his friend. He gained experience working under his partner company. He also started a business after being instructed in starting a business. In addition, the factor that drive the entrepreneur is because of his skills and deep interest in pottery. Okay, and the third is entrepreneurial activity. The activity of entrepreneurs is to sell pottery only to wholesalers. He became one of the largest supplier of homemade pottery to shops that are selling home jewelry. For interior decorations, some of the home jewelry that he made using pottery were such as bed lamps, eggshells, pillowcase, jars, and others.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Aina Ashiki binti Abdullah. I am from Teammates. Okay, I will continue my friends presenting about entrepreneur before starting a business. Okay, number 4 is intention to become an entrepreneur. Okay, Encik Fazli started his business when he was 24 years old. And he want to open this business because he didn't want the traditional goods be used out of date. Okay, Encik Fazli wants the younger generation to recognize the kind of pottery and the skill of Pierce pattern that created by Encik Fazli is accepted the community, and because of that he want to teach our generation to learn how to make the pottery. Okay, next is about parenting background. Okay, the entrepreneur parents is Zoliadin bin Syukur, which is his father, and his mother name is Hazwa binti Ngahsani. Okay, his father used to work in military camp as a cooking assistant. His father has a business before he helped his grandfather at the military camp. Okay, Zoliadin was selling laksa and fried rice before he go to the camp, while Puan Hazwa, which is his mother, helped his father to manage the business. Okay, the age when his father started do a business is 23 years old, and his father has been in that business which is 6 years. Okay, at 29 years old, he started to stop trading and instead to help his grandfather in a military camp until he retired. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq Ismail bin Muhammad Amiruddin. My metric number is C19800272. Today I want to present about my topic, which is what the question I asked and the encik of the businessman tell me. Okay, for the first question, I'm asked for he is the entrepreneur when he start what is the first motivation for the start. So her name is Encik Fazli. His say to me his motivation his motivation for raising startup capital before he started the business. In addition, Mr. Fazli also made his boss to be a motivator or self-starter to start a business. Okay, the next question. Are Encik Fazli set any goal as you set up for your business? If have, so what? So Encik Fazli say it's starting a labu sayur business. He had no seed goal, and he also really relied on his previous work experience. And the third question is available resources before Encik Fazli start. Mr. Fazli said the main source before starting a business was to have sufficient capital and to provide experience from previous work knowledge. So I give to another presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azimah binti Anwar. My metric number is C19800405. Today I want to continue the presenter, and I want to talk about any network. And Mr. Fazli only has link to other pumpkin seller or entrepreneur, and he also focus on wholesaler. And then initial risk orientation. His risk orientation says the selection or manufacture of the patent to be manufactured and the good or parts are not accepted by the wholesaler who has damaged or cracked. And furthermore, business plan. Mr. Fazli, Labu Sayong businessman, said the first time he set up or start and he had no business plan. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Zalimi bin Cik Hassan. My metric number is C19A0854. Okay, today I want to present about Encik Fazli business business plan. Okay, my question to Encik Fazli is ready or not to get start to do the business. Okay, the Encik Fazli give me the answer is there is no rule to start a business. Encik Fazli not have business plan and Encik Fazli start their business without business plan. Okay, second question is control in the early stage of business serious or not. Okay, the answer is the early stage of the business are seriously regulated by supplying their own pumpkin appliance and their own pumpkin product to the wholesaler and striving to find other customer around its Kuala Kangsar and Ipoh in Perak.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amalin Najwa binti Mat Daud. My metric number is C19A0467. Okay, I will continue with my presentation with conclusion. Overall, the variety of knowledge we can learn from the results of the assignment. Among these, we can learn about the importance of a mindset within a person that is divided into entrepreneur and company background, factors that influence the formation of the business, the efforts made before becoming an entrepreneur, and so on. Okay, furthermore, we find that the key factors that lead to the success of the business are having a deep desire and desire to succeed, always thinking in a positive way, focusing properly on the business and not neglecting, being disciplined in managing a business as indicated by Encik Fazli, and have a high degree of integrity in themselves. Okay, however, failure in business may occur if not managed properly. Okay, thank you.
I want to continue the presenter of the appendix picture of Mr. Fazli and see it, and thank you.